Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Zinn. I'm stopping in to read a story to you today. It's called Sometimes Rain. It's written by Meg Fleming and it's illustrated by Diane Sutka. Sometimes drizzle, drip, drip, drain. Sometimes picnic, sometimes rain. Sometimes dropping steady chill, sometimes frosting every hill. Sometimes sledding frozen toes, sometimes carrots, sometimes nose. Sometimes twinkle winter white, crystal garden, silver night. Sometimes boring wonder wait, sometimes early, sometimes late. Sometimes clear, bright and glowing, so much melt, the mud growing. Sometimes flying magic swing, blooming treehouse, happy spring. Sometimes dreaming open skies, sometimes chasing butterfly. Sometimes blazing secret trails, sometimes finding frogs and snails. Sometimes splashing yellow sun, sometimes soaking summer fun. Sometimes changing vibrant trees, sometimes zipping out the breeze. Sometimes stomping leafy crunch, sometimes eating apple lunch. Sometimes piles 10 feet tall, sometimes jumping into fall. Sometimes wandering far or near, always knowing someone here. Always ready, stay or roam, always welcome. Always home. I really liked that story, Sometimes Rain. I hope you did too.